Hello and welcome to Legal Remedies. The topic in this edition of Legal Remedies is whether any employer can escape liability to pay gratuity. In my earlier video on the same topic, I discussed about the up-to-date information on the law, eligibility and entitlement of gratuity. In the current and concluding part of information on gratuity, I am going to focus my discussion on whether the employer can escape the liability to pay gratuity and how can anyone initiate, pursue and enforce the claim of gratuity. Section 7(2) of the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972 mandates that as soon as gratuity becomes payable, the employer shall, whether an application referred to in subsection 1 has been made or not, determine the amount of gratuity and give notice in writing to the person to whom the gratuity is payable and also to the controlling authority specifying the amount of gratuity so determined. The above provision of law makes it obligatory for the employer to adhere to it and even if there is no application by the claimant, release the amount of gratuity if the employee is otherwise eligible for payment of gratuity. In terms of the ratio of the judgment, referring to the above said provision of law, in the case of P. Rama Rao, the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh ruled that the right of the employee to draw the amount of gratuity cannot be extinguished owing to any technical grounds including limitation. It was also held by the Honorable Bombay High Court in the case of United India Insurance Company Limited etc. that the employee can claim gratuity under the Act even when the provisions for payment of gratuity under the service conditions were absent. In view of the above, it can be safely said that no employer can escape the liability of payment of gratuity to an employee otherwise eligible for that under the Act. An employee upon becoming entitled to it in terms of Section 4(1) of the Act, therefore, may make an application to the employer for payment of gratuity under Section 7 of the Act, read with Rule 7(1) of the Payment of Gratuity, Central Rules 1972 in Form I to the employer within 30 days of the date of superannuation or retirement. It may be noted, however, that the set period of 30 days, as prescribed, was held to be merely procedural in terms of the ratio of the judgment by the Honorable Bombay High Court in the case of Ramjilal Chimanlal Sharma that would not debar the right of the employee to claim gratuity if the employer fails to pay the gratuity. The employee can file an application under Section 8 of the Act, read with Rule 10 of the Payment of Gratuity Central Rules 1972 to the controlling authority in Form N for recovery of the dues relating to the payment of gratuity together with compound interest as arrears of land revenue to be paid to the person entitled thereto within 90 days of the occurrence of the cause. It therefore transpires that no employer can escape the responsibility of paying gratuity to an employee who is otherwise eligible for the same, and there is a well-defined remedy under the law for claiming gratuity from a non-compliant and defaulting employer. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel to view upcoming discussions of similar nature. And please like, leave comments and share this video so that others interested may have the benefit of the information. Also please press the bell icon and get notified about the next releases.